Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another slay tutorial. Well, these eyes give, this lip give, it's a beautiful rainbow look, y'all. And I've been wanting to do a rainbow look for the longest. I want to use eyeliner, and I wanted it to be thick, like the picture I showed. Face tutorial will be up on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this look, because this beat is everything. Even when I was tipsy, I did the thing. And sometimes when you tipsy slash almost drunk, that be hard to do. And just sitting here trying to focus, I be wanting to get up and thinking. I know y'all want to see this look, because that's why y'all clicked this video. So without further ado, let's hop on right into
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm about to do a look today, and it's about to be fun. But I'm just letting y'all know, I already did my brows. I cleaned them up, and now I'm about to powder them with some Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And I just spent the whole damn day with my woman. I'm getting there, y'all. I am sipping on Bacardi and cherry juice, y'all. Organic cherry juice. And I'm lit right now. So while I'm in the zone, I'm listening to music. But today, y'all, it's gonna be a look. I'm trying to get my edges down. Like, I don't know how to get them like my mama do. It do not be working for me, but it be feeling like my hairs be curling up. I don't know how to do it, so it's just gonna be what it is. I'm here to give y'all a look. So I'm gonna be naming the music that I'm playing on the side of me. I'm actually gonna keep a list. As I'm going, I'm gonna name my playlist as I do my makeup. I don't know, this might be fun. But the first song is Damani. I think that's how you say his name. Damani for Everlasting, featuring DC Young Fly and something Hendrix. I'm gonna list it right here, y'all. I already primed my brow with brow wax and powdered them down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in with some Brow Food pomade from P.Louise. Passion. This my song, y'all. But I'm boy crazy. Super fly boy crazy. Y'all, I used to listen to this all the time when I was in my teens. Girl, this my song. Oh, this came Michelle, baby. Okay, then really, even Rosemary, even Leanne Silly. Can't believe I remember it all. Brows are filled in, and I went ahead and used my Brow Food pomade from P.Louise. If y'all do shop, go ahead and use my code BMarie10. Okay, don't forget the 10. And now I'm about to go ahead and conceal my brows. Y'all already know the routine. I told y'all I was going with a brow tutorial very soon, but I feel like me being tipsy, I'm slaying these brows, baby. I'm slaying. The Lancome Tint Idol concealer in the shade 415 here, and then I'm going to go ahead in the other areas and use the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Chai. Don't start with your shit. I put you back in your place. Good crazy things, she still waiting on me. When the feeling's clean, but it's people around. Really wanting. Baby, I know you're used to feeling. The high skirt match her hat. The hat match her shirt. Y'all, tell me why I've been lighting my chair up right now, because I ate that White Castles and it's just over with. My stomach is just like, gotta let it out. Oh, baby, no. Y'all, so brows are done and they ate. I'm over here tipsy, so I hope this come out good, because it's gonna come out good. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm sleeping though. Okay, so I really want to do a look like this, but I do want to do a spring color on the lid. I don't want to do the rainbow color. I want to do the transition colors, but on the lid, I'm thinking about a pretty matte color. I don't know, y'all. We're just gonna do it, cause I don't know. I just got a feeling that this is gonna be bomb. The base that we're gonna go ahead with is our BPerfect Beauty base in the shade Icy Zero. I will be restocking. I want to say that every time because it's not in stock, but I'm gonna be restocking. But we're gonna put this on the lid and we're gonna continue to listen to our music, y'all. I'm in the zone, so when I drink, I gotta listen to music because I like to dance. I like to dance.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
It's natural. Damn, she making it up. Oh, but girl, I'm always gonna say you went truck. So now that the base is applied, I looked at that look, and we're gonna be going into these two palettes right here. This is the BPerfect Carnival Extra Large Pro palette right here, and then we're also gonna go ahead and take the BPerfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette by Stacey Marie. They have some bomb colors. Very pigmented. Y'all see that purple? I've been digging in that purple. Like, that purple hit pants. Flat Noah Beauty brush is a complexion 01 brush. And I want to go ahead with my first color, which is this dark green. Forest. It's this one right here. We're going to use that. So I'm just going to pack this on. Okay, perfect. Somebody going with this blue right here. This is called Mood. This is out of the XL palette. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with the purple down here. This is called Blackberry, and I'm going to put that right on top of that blue. I'm going to go ahead and take chili pepper, and I'm going to put it right at the end. Oh, the hype. I'm talking about the hype. And I'm putting this right on top of that green. Take this color right here. My mama sure know she be talking, boy. I might take blank canvas and like put the color on, cause I love the paints. The paints from P.Louise are so good. Like, it gets that cut crease so sharp, along with my 252S MAC brush here, and probably use. I'm going to definitely use blank canvas to cut this, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up some more to get it to the desired shape that I want, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this. I had to make me a little fish sandwich, y'all. I don't have any Q-tips, y'all, and I can't find my white liner because I was gonna do a white liner with this, but I can't find it. Blank canvas. Y'all, I haven't been back here in a minute. I was watching 17 again. I went from music, turned to, after I ate that food, chill. So the hard part is done. I went ahead and put some Laura Mercier powder on my cut crease so that it won't crease. Okay, now I'm going to figure out exactly what I'm going to put on this lid. I'm trying to decide. Okay, so I'm going to go in my XL palette and I'm going to grab Reckless right here. And we're going to go ahead and smoke this upward. And we're just going to pack this on. I'm going to do something for this eye on camera and I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye, but I went in with white. I did this before, but I went ahead and went in with white. I don't even think this is white. I think it's called, I think it's cream. I'm actually just laying this on top of the parts that I didn't add color. Then I'm gonna go back and add the color on top of this so it can all seamlessly go together. Okay, so this is how it came out. It's so cute. I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to apply my lashes. So these are my 28mm lashes that I was like reviewing a while back. I might come out with 28. Let me know if y'all like these. My foundation review. I'm gonna be doing a blush review, so I'm gonna put my phone in front. Come back when it's time to apply powders. This is how my face is looking. Show y'all. Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm gonna see a tutorial on some liquid blushes, and that's where I'm gonna be doing my full face set. So go check that out on my Instagram. Right now, let's finish the under eye and do these lips. For the under eye, I want to put this teal color, and this is from Juvias Place. I mean, not Juvia's Place, from P.Louise, and it's called, I think, Sweet Chili. Okay, as far as under eye, I think I wanted to put pink under here or smoke it with that burgundy first. Reckless from out of this palette. It's Reckless. That foundation just feels so good. Okay, so I'm gonna put the color that I put on my lid, which is the like white shade or cream in the inner corner. I'm about to add my mascara and then we're gonna get into these lips. Yeah, that's so pretty. I don't know why I feel like a wing should be in the inner corner. I don't know. Okay, while that dries, we're gonna go ahead and wipe everything off. So for highlighter, I'm taking my So Hollywood highlighter. It will not be clean. I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick again. This is from Sephora, and I want to be just outlining my lips. Juvia's Place Nubian Sand. Y'all know I'm going to my liquid lipstick to this, and I'm gonna come right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and I slayed this, y'all. I feel like this eye right here, y'all know I'm perfection. I'm like, girl, that look good. I feel like it could have been better. That's because I was tipsy, and I also feel like I'm coming out with a cold right now because my throat is starting to get sore, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom y'all out so we get to this outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that y'all like this video. If y'all made it to the end, go ahead and drop a rainbow down in the comment section below because nope. I need to know that y'all are watching, because if not, like, why did y'all click the video if y'all not gonna watch it? But for those who made it to the end, let's not talk about the ones who not watching. But for the ones that made it to the end, drop a rainbow down below because you came this far. Do not skip, because some of y'all probably be skipping just to see what symbol I want y'all to drop in the comment section. Also, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media networks at BMarie for Instagram, Facebook, and also I'm on Limit 8 as well. So everything will be in the description right below. So go follow my links down there. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.